There we go. Okay, so in radio, great. And now give me a cassette here. The one that we're playing, and just continue playing. Okay, so there's that. Just don't fall. Oh. Done. I just put it back together and paint it and so on and so forth. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Easy money. Okay. Wait, where's the so yeah, it's running a little slow. We'll adjust the speed. Where's the remote control go? Oh, who knows? All right, here. I'll just. That's a remote control. Up on this thing, but thanks for watching. Bye bye. Gotta go. Hopefully it's in breaking 2 files. Yeah. That one there. Okay, so bye bye. This one have to unscrew from the darn thing.